Hi everybody, today I'm going to show you these new hubcaps that I got from EVBASE, and they emulate the performance rims that come on the Model Y Performance. Let's get into the installation of the hubcaps. I'm going to show you how I removed the old ones and installed this one. Don't forget, there's a 20% coupon in the description. Go get it. These are great. All right, so this is how my old hubcaps, again, those are from EVBASE 2, look like. And let's put the performance looking hubcaps on them. All right, so let's remove the old ones. Okay. All right, so here's the new ones. When you install, just make sure you remove the back here so you don't forget it. So let's put it on. Make sure that the inflator hole is right where it needs to be. And there you go. Now, just to contrast this to that, I think those look better. But I don't know, maybe it's because they're just new, so something new looks different and nicer than something you're used to for a while. So for example, these hubcaps, which I'll link in the description too, I've been riding for about 2 months now, and I can't wait to get this thing all set up. So let's do the rest and we'll continue from there. Now, by default, they come with blank plastic covers, but you can also order metal ones that will go over top and be a little nicer. And I'll link to those as well. Don't forget that you're going to have a 20% coupon that you can lower the cost of these hubcaps. All right, so this is how it looks like. This will give you the performance look for the regular or premium Model Ys. And these ones are the 19-inch rims. So I think these look great. And again, one more thing about these hubcaps is that they actually go over the rim and they'll protect the rim if you accidentally brush it against the curb or something like that. You can't just hit the curb and expect it to protect it, but for small scuffs it will protect the rim, and I think they look phenomenal. So again, check out the description. I'm going to have a link. I'm going to have a discount code in it, and go get it. I like them. And as I said, they come with blank black inserts here, but you can choose different one, and it's listed on the website. All right, so if you like this video, please thumb up, subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching.